and how they are used in the language and how they are used to program and run codes. So let's start with unary operator. Unary operator are a type of operator which consists of only one operand, like increment operator, decrement operator, unary minus operator, logical not operator, etc. and other operators are also available. So we will study about increment operator and decrement operator in this session. Increment operator is used to increase the value of a variable from by 1, means by the way, increment operator has two types, like pre-increment operator and post increment operator. So इंक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर वेरिएबल के वैल्यू ऑफ वेरिएबल के वैल्यू को एक वैल्यू से बढ़ाने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है प्रोग्राम में. इंक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर इज़ यूज्ड टू इंक्रीज द वैल्यू ऑफ अ वेरिएबल बाय 1. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ, उसका उदाहरण लेते हैं हम एक लेट्स टेक एन इंटीजर वेरिएबल a whose value is 5. Let's take the value of variable a as 5, and let's take another two variables a1 and a2. Now if we use pre-increment operator in this program, then a1 we can use plus a. Increment operator is represented by plus sign. Here pre-increment means the plus increment operator is used before the variable a. That is, the value of a is first increased by 1, then with variable a, that is 5. Value of a variable a 5 means now the value of a1 will become 6. That is, the value 1 is added with 5, that is a1 equal to 6. Now let's get with the post increment. Let's take variable a2 for the example of post increment. Post increment में a plus plus, that is the value of a is added, the plus increment is taken after the variable, means the value is taken first of the variable, then the increment is operated. Means here the value of a is still remains the same, 5. As the variable of a is taken first, the value of a is increased, but it is operated in the next program. For that example, let's take an example a3. Now if we print the value of a3 is equal to a, then the a3 value is equal to 6. Sorry, the a2 value becomes 6 as the value of a becomes here 6, as the plus operator, pre-increment operator is used in a1. So a2 equal to a plus plus, that is a2 equal to 6, and a3 becomes 7. As the operator here a plus plus increment post increment operator is used in this program, a2 variable, then the a3 value becomes a. Similarly, in the decrement operator, it is represented by minus minus. Then similarly we can do it. Similarly we can do it here. Let's run this our program. Here let's take an variable a1 sorry, let's take an variable a1 and put it pre increment, sorry, as similar to the increment operator, decrement operator has also two types, pre decrement and post decrement. Right, डिक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर हैज ऑल्सो टू टाइप्स. डिक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर के भी दो टाइप्स है, प्री डिक्रीमेंट एंड पोस्ट डिक्रीमेंट. सो अगर हम प्री डिक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर यूज़ करते हैं तो A1 वेरिएबल को हम प्री डिक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर यूज़ करते हैं तो माइनस ए, तो इसका वैल्यू होगा 4, A1 इक्वल टू 4. As the pre-decrement operator is used, pre-decrement operator decreases the value of a variable by 1. pre-decrement operator का उपयोग यह ऐसा है कि वेरिएबल का वैल्यू 1 से कम करता है. या अगर उसका वैल्यू 5 है तो वो 1 से कम करके 4 कर देगा. वैसे ही A1 का वैल्यू 4 कर दिया, क्योंकि ये प्री डिक्रीमेंट है तो पहले A1 से कम होगा फिर 4 आएगा, फिर 5 का 4 होके 5 का 1 करके 4 आएगा. सिमिलरली A2 इक्वल टू A माइनस माइनस. Here the variable is first, the value of A is taken first, then the operator is operated. Now the A2 value is 4 as the value of A is changed in this first program line of program. Then the A2 value is 4 as the post increment is used here. Now in the A3 variable, if we put A3 is equal to A, then the value of A3 becomes 3. As the post decrement is used, A minus minus, then the post decrement, it decreases by 1 value in the next program. Got it? So now we'll go to the next program.